You're watching Football Daily. Welcome to the Scout Report in association with WhoScored.com. This week we're looking at Napoli striker Edinson Cavani, who looks set to leave the Stadio San Paolo this summer. Let's take a look at why Madrid, Chelsea and Paris Saint-Germain are all chasing his signature. The Uruguayan enjoyed a terrific campaign, finishing as the top scorer in Serie A with an impressive 29 goals. That's a whopping 40% of Napoli's total league tally. Cavani's strike rate is superior to both of Real Madrid's main strikers, Karim Benzema and Gonzalo Higuain. With the latter almost certain to join Arsenal, Cavani would be a more than adequate replacement for the Argentinian. Signing the Napoli striker would also take some of the pressure off Cristiano Ronaldo, with Los Blancos overly reliant on their Portuguese superstar. However, Chelsea need Cavani more than Madrid. The Blues lack a world-class goalscorer, with Demba inconsistent, Romelu Lukaku still raw, and Fernando Torres showing no signs of returning to the form he once showed at Anfield. The Uruguayan would be a significant upgrade on the Spaniard, who was disappointed since his £50 million move to Stamford Bridge. Torres has scored just 15 league goals since joining the club. Over the same period, Cavani has been impressively consistent, with 23 league goals, his lowest return. Yet Paris could be the most likely destination for Cavani. While both Madrid and Chelsea are reluctant to meet his release clause, PSG are prepared to splash the cash as a statement of intent. Signing Cavani would also reduce the team's reliance on Zlatan Ibrahimovic, who scored 43% of PSG's goals last season. The two strikers could even play alongside each other if Laurent Blanc continues with the 4-2-2-2 formation favoured by Carlo Ancelotti. With Cavani alongside Zlatan, PSG would have one of the deadliest strike forces in the world as they look to make their European ambitions a reality. But what do you think? Should Cavani join Madrid, Chelsea or Paris Saint-Germain? And who do you want to see in the next Scout Report? Let us know in the comments, and remember to subscribe to Football Daily.